Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. So my name is Asif. I am mathematics teacher to present before you, learn and understand a very interesting topic, and the topic is seventh number, multiplication, division and fraction. In this topic we will learn about the subtopics which is so interesting, and the subtopic is division of fractional number by a whole number. In the previous video we have already learned about the multiplication of fractional number by the whole number. So over here the division of fractional number by a whole number. So friends, let's take started. Now we have to only understand about the concept. What is the concept that is hidden in this subtopic? So let's learn. Now with the help of examples we are going to make understand this subtopics. Suppose say 1 by 4 is divided by 4. Okay, now what does it means? The first thing is here. Okay, now see friends, suppose 1 divided by 4, this could be written as 1 by 4, and this could be written as 1 by 4 of 1. So 1/4 of 1, 1 by 4 means 1/4, and 1/4 means 1/4 of 1, means there is one thing. Like suppose, have a look, there is a rectangular shape here. Now we are going to make a rectangular shape here. Okay, this is the whole one thing. Okay, 1 by 4 of 1 means this is obviously 1/4, means the 1/4 of this whole thing. Okay, now 1/4 of this whole thing means this is one thing is divided by 1 by 4 means one thing is divided by 4 equal parts. Now here have a look friends. Now I have already divided this the whole thing. It looks like a rectangular shape. This rectangular shape, this is the one thing, is divided into 4 equal parts. So this every equal parts is 1/4, 1/4. This is 1/4, 1/4. Yani 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay. Now the next, now come to the main point. 1 by 4 divided by 4. What does it mean? Now that means here write as it is 1 by 4. If we change this operation into multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of this number. So here is 1 is hidden, so 1/4 becomes, that means now multiply numerator into numerator, 1 into 1. Now here friends, 1 by 4, 1 multiplied by 1, and 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Now have a look these things, and this could be also written as 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, because multiplication can change into of 1 by 4 of. That means this statement says 1 upon, here is the 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 of 1/4. that means 1 by 4 का चौथाई हिस्सा. Okay, that means these things, each 1/4 is divided into 4 equal parts, means as, have a look the next figure. Now I'm going to the same figure. Okay, but next things, that means this thing is divided by, yes, 4 equal parts, this thing, and each part is equal to, okay, this is 1/4. Now this is 1 by 6, 1 by 16. Okay, 1/4 of 1 by 4, that means 1/4 is divided, this 1/4 is divided by 4 equal parts, and I have already divided this, the 1/4 thing is the 4 equal parts. So each parts is called the 1/16, the 1/16, the whole. If we, this is the whole things, and the answer is 1/16. So 1/16, that means one thing, this is the one thing, looks like a rectangle, is the one thing divided by 16 equal parts, and this says this 1/4 is divided 4 equal parts. So this is the 4 things, 1 2 3 4, 4 equal parts. Once again, this is also 4 equal parts. Okay, this is also 4 equal parts. So if we observe This parts, now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. That means each part is called the 1 upon 6 116 116 116 116 116, 1 upon 16 part. I hope you will completely understand. Okay, now afterwards we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 20. On the behalf of same concept, we will use the same concept, then we can easily solve the questions. Okay, now friends, see, as we can see the question first, exercise 20 first says find a 1 upon 2 divided by 2. Okay, now see, before solving such type of questions, let us figure out this concept. Here a fractional number, here is the look, this is the fractional number, or that is called the fraction. A fraction is divided by a whole numbers, and you know friend, the whole numbers is 0 1 2 3 4 5 0, and all natural numbers, these are the whole numbers. So this is the fractional numbers divided by whole number. What does it means? So here is the statement written. Now we are going to understand these things. A fractional number divided by a whole number means, that means we have to multiply, suppose example, suppose 3 by 2 divided by 6, this could be written as 3 by 2 and multiply by 1 upon 6, and this could be written as, that means here it's very simple. Now that means we have to multiply the fractional number multiply by multiplicative inverse of the whole number. Here the fractional number, okay, here the fractional number multiply by multiplicative inverse of the whole number, multiplicative inverse of whole number. This is, look at, this is the example. Now we will solve this concept with the, now we will solve this question with the help of this concept. Here have a look, question first says find, and we have taken the one sub question f, 1 upon 6 as it is. Now we have to change this operation into multiplication, though then this number also changed, yes, and this is the multiplicative inverse of 5. So the multiplicative inverse of 5 means 1 by 5. Why? Because the 5 means 5 means 5 by 1, so 1 could be written as numerator and 5 could be written as denominator. So this is the multiplicative inverse of 5. When we will do, when we have to change this operation into multiplication, then we have to change these numbers as a multiplicative inverse. Oh no, multiply numerator into numerator, 1 1 1 and 6 5 30. So this is your final answer. I hope you will understand. Now friends, see, we have taken question number second, divide. Now we have taken the sub question f. Now have a look, this is divide 14 by 25 by 7, means instead of this by we have to apply the divide sign, division sign. Here 14 divided by 25, okay, as it is. Now where there is by means divide, because the statement says divide, and this is 7. Now we have to follow the same and change division into multiplication, and we have to change this, we have to write the multiplicative inverse of 7. So below the 7 1 is hidden, so 1 is up and 7 is downwards. Okay, now this is, we'll get 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja, yes, 14. So 2 multiply by 1, 2 1 ja 2, and here is 25 1 ja 25. This is your final answer. Now see friends, question number third, the sub question f. This is the mixed number fraction divided by 102. Okay, now see, first of all we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now how? Now that means we have to multiply 14 4 ja 20, 48, and we have to add 3 to it. Yes, this becomes 51. Okay, now this is 51 on 4 as it is, and now this we have to change this number into multiplication. Now on the right, the reciprocal of this number means 1 upon 125. So have a look friends, here because these are the numerator and these are the denominators, and numerator and denominator will get cancelled if it is possible. So here is the possible, 51 1 ja 51 and 52 2 ja 100, 51 2 ja 102. So here 1 multiply by 1 and 4 multiply by 2, this is 4 2 ja 8. This is your final answer. I hope you will very clear. Now there is no problem at all, you can solve easily question number 4, and your homework is, friends, your homework is question number 1 to 4. These are the very simple questions. Okay, you watch this video lecture till the end. If once not getting, then watch 2 times and pause the video and write down your important points. Okay, have a nice day.